Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add friends to a role on Discord. So what you want to do, guys, you want to go ahead and find your Discord server. So let's say this is the Discord server that I want to use. I can simply go ahead and right click on it and go down to where it says server settings and go to roles. And from here you'll find your role that you have created. If you have no friends in that role or you want to add people to this role, you can simply go ahead and click on it, and here you will be able to find the section that says manage members. So you want to click on that section that says manage members, and you want to know, go ahead and search for those members. So here you can add members to the role. So you can click on that and you can find your friends from here, or you can add friends. So in this case, I'm going to click the button there at the bottom and just select a friend there that is currently on my Discord already. Then I'm going to simply click and add, and that's it. You can see now that I add that friend. So here I know of one friend added there under that specific members, and that's all there is to it, guys. It's very easy and very simple. So that's it, guys. That's how you go ahead and add member to a specific role on Discord.